So I've been smelling like a musty, moldy smell, and I can't figure out where it's coming from.
So we should go check your HVAC unit to see if it's coming from there. All right, after opening up the HVAC system, we definitely see some microbial growth here on the side walls. I would definitely recommend that this gets looked at least on a yearly basis for the microbial growth that's inside your unit does not get exacerbated from lack of maintenance. So now I would continue the inspection and go throughout your home looking for other signs or evidence of microbial growth.
Actually, can you check my laundry room? Because I'm pretty sure I actually do have an active leak in there.
Of course. We found some microbial growth in your laundry room, so we're gonna start with containing the area.
Okay, great. Am I safe now, or am I breathing mold?
No, here at Stanley Steemer, when we do mold remediation, we isolate the area with a containment barrier, protecting the rest of the house from cross-contamination. We also set up the space under negative air, meaning that all the air from inside the contaminated space, it's exhaust out of that room, allowing fresh air to re-enter the affected area, exhausting all the bad contaminants like mold or bacteria that we're not visually seeing in the affected space.
Can you explain to me how that process works?
So once all the chambers are set up, the containment chambers, and we set up the space under negative air, we start to do a micro clean. So we micro clean all the walls, we HEPA vacuum, and we start to do a wipe down with antimicrobial. Once that wipe down with antimicrobial is completed, we electrostatic fog with antimicrobial, which is a hospital grade disinfectant that kills mold.
Okay, wonderful. So my family and my children are safe.
Yes, so before we did this, we had an inspection. They did a test outside of this contained area, and it showed that the levels were in normal conditions.
Okay, great.
Now that you know this, and with hurricane season approaching, you can give us a call if you ever have a water emergency.